Hey there. Thank you for agreeing to be a judge for our math scavenger hunt. All of us parents really appreciate you donating your time and energy to make this day a super fun and educational day for our kids. In this first quick video, I just want to give you an overview about how the scavenger hunt is going to be organized. And then in a couple of other quick videos, I'll go over judging notes on each of the challenges. Let me do a screen share and show you some pictures. All right, so I just wanted you to see a little bit about our facility that we get to use. First Christian Church is being very generous to host us. This is actually the second building that First Christian Church owns, and this field over here is where the kids are going to do the challenge about estimating a height, and they're going to estimate the height of that building. They get to pick which point on that building that they are estimating the height of. And then that's the same building there, just a different picture. If you look a little to the right, here is the main building of First Christian Church. And both here on these steps, as well as over here on these steps, the kids will be doing step counting. These trees are where the kids will be doing measurements regarding the circumference and diameter of trees. And then most of our activity is going to be headquartered in the parking lot between those two buildings. So every team is going to have a home base that is, let's see, about two of these parking lots. I'm kind of clicking through some videos that I have to try to get a good picture. There's a good picture that just shows you it's a really expansive parking lot. The parents are not going to be parking here. We have other places they can park, so this will be vacant for us to use for the scavenger hunt activities. And then just the big picture overview of what we're asking you to do is to help us calculate how many points each team is earning. So the kids are going to be in teams, 8, 9, or 10 kids per team, and every team is going to have a bandana color, and the kids will all wear these in crazy ways, I'm sure. That'll make it easy for you as a judge to figure out which team that group of kids is on. As a judge, you're going to get to wear a white bandana, and you can just make it easy for the kids to figure out that you're a judge by wearing that. You can take it home too if you want it. You're welcome to keep it. I want to also just set your mind at ease that we're not asking you to put a whole lot of mental effort into judging which team should get first, second, third place on whichever challenge you're assessing. There certainly will be some room on some of the challenges for a little bit of deviation in whether they got the full amount of points possible. But for many of the challenges, it's going to kind of be an all or nothing thing. And the way that we're then counting who wins is simply adding up at the end how many total points each team received, and the team with the most points gets to be first in line to eat pie. So every family is bringing some pie to share, and I certainly hope that you will stay and have some pie with us. But again, just to set your mind at ease, the winning team gets bragging rights, of course, but besides that, they just get to be first in line for pie. And let's just remember too that the big goal of this event is for the kids to get excited about learning math, to actually learn some math, and then also to encourage and equip the parents who are teaching them. So with that, I guess in closing too, I just want to say, feel free to help the kids. I mean, obviously don't do it for them, but this is a learning opportunity for them. There's going to be a very clear system. Every team is going to have a paper that's clearly marked with their color of their team, and they're going to have actually several copies of this exact same page, just so several people on their team can be working on the same thing. But when they're done, the one with the color is the one that they will hand to you and say, here, Mr. Judge, Mrs. Judge, I'm finished, take this. You will then circle, if they got full points, you'll just circle that they got full points. If they didn't, make a note, etc. There'll be a runner that'll take this page over to our scoring headquarters so those points can be tallied. But until the kids give you that page, here, Mr. Judge, I'm finished, you can grade it. Until that happens, I mean, let them ask you questions and just teach them. Even if it's as simple as making sure they know when they're using a tape measure, you got to line up your starting point at 0, right? There's not a 0 on the tape measure, but you need to understand the 0's here, and that's where you got to start it. Just little things like that. We want to make sure that the kids are learning and succeeding. So in the following quick videos, I'll go over some quick information on each of the challenges. That way you don't all have to watch all the videos, but I just wanted to give this introductory information to all of you. So thanks again.